this is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your speakers to your Windows PC and get audio. So if you turn around your speaker right here, you can see there's three different cables right here. You have one for power, one goes to the left speaker, and the third you need to connect to your computer. So let's just turn on my speaker right now, just like this. So the speaker's turned on, I can see it's green. And we have to find a slot to plug this in. We could plug it in where the headphone slots go right here, not the microphone. But let's go on down to the back of the computer and I'll show you exactly where this plugs in. So don't hurt yourself when you're getting down here. But on the back of the computer you can see there's going to be like three different colors. One's going to be like blue, green, maybe like red or something like that. I'm plugging mine into the center one, so it's green. So this is the cable directly. You can see my cable mess, bad cable management, but we can just plug this in right in the center one, the green one. And I am colorblind, so if that's not green, I apologize. This is green. That looks similar there. Okay, so once again you can plug it into this slot right here on the front. Now with it plugged in, there's one thing you want to do. Right down here, this is how you can change the input source. So if we go to sound, go to this little button right here, and now switch it to your speakers on here. So it might be like auxiliary speakers or something like that. Mine just says speakers Realtek audio. That's the one I got to switch to. So if you don't switch your audio under here for your sound output, it's not going to switch over to your speakers that you're trying to connect. So you can go to system and sound and do the same thing under here. Just go to your speakers. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.